guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. And I'm doing some Nerf trick shots. I'm doing my Chase. Hi. And he's gonna have a YouTube channel and one here. Hi. Oh yes, someone can say hi. Someone say hi. Someone say hi. Yeah. It's going on YouTube.
No, don't touch that.
It's funny.
Say hi.
It's going on YouTube.
Can you say hi?
Sure. Yeah, say hi. Swipe. Yeah, say hi.
No,
It's loading. Okay, and we can see you guys in the video. Oh no! So fun. Okay. See you in the video. Ah! Because now I'm gonna finish just doing stuff, and I'm gonna go down here and do like the ceiling for some reason. But so I'm gonna show him right in the butt, and I'm gonna get down here. Okay, guys, come on. Oh my God, that was loud.
Oh, hey Chase. Yeah, I'm just trying to like get the right camera and stuff, you know. Is that hamburger feeling good in your heart?
Guys, there should be a challenge without coughing. Wait. It shoots by.
Okay.
Hey, Mikey, where's you? Oh, I know. Yep, that's better. Guys, Trent just landed on a bullet when he was hitting this donkey.
I'm gonna show him what shot I wanted to do. So like, I'm just gonna shoot that donkey because I don't like its smile on his face, and it landed.
It landed right here, but Chase picked it up. No, I didn't. I didn't pick it up.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Anyway, let's get into this shot.
No. Yeah. So now Trent's gonna hit the donkey. So Trent now doesn't have to say it. Let's see. Trent. Let's see a proof. He probably won't because that's very rare. It like hit off of his eye. It hit like
Guys, ain't never gonna shoot it like this.
Okay, now let's do his trick.
Bang, bang. That's what the donkey's gonna look like after I shoot it like this. Oh! Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like that smile either.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. And this is my first video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like if you liked it. Okay, stop. And you need to shoot your camera. I dare you. Okay. And then please like and subscribe and turn on the notification. Please. And like my video and subscribe. I said that I said like 3 times.
Check out Dog Jada.
And check out Dog Jada and T-Went531. They're awesome. Let's hit the camera. T-Went531's my brother. Dog Jada is my cousin. So peace. Wait, what? What's this? It's an Alphalooza. Wait.
Take that big out, bro.
Bye.